This lab, which is called the Aquatics Phenomics Research Center, is a resource that is unlike any that we know of in the Pacific Northwest or even the country. We have the ability to house and do experiments with aquatic animals ranging in size from small embryos up to trout and salmon, and we are able to investigate different ways that the environment can affect their physiology and their behavior in ways that we haven't been able to investigate before. The students get to design their own experiments, collect their own data, and really discover for themselves information that no one else has learned before. And that's what we want to do with this facility in terms of bringing in undergraduates, not only in one-on-one research situations, but classrooms of students to use this facility to really learn what the process of discovery is all about.